2024 Best Cheap Motorcycle for Beginners Suzuki TU250X. In the diverse world of motorcycles, the 2024 Suzuki TU250X stands as a beacon of timeless elegance and approachability, offering an exceptional and affordable option for beginners. Seamlessly blending classic design, user-friendly performance, and rider-friendly features, the TU250X exemplifies Suzuki's commitment to crafting machines that provide an ideal combination of cost-effectiveness, beginner-friendly attributes, and the joy of uncomplicated riding. In 2024, the TU250X continues to captivate entry-level riders globally, standing as a symbol of accessible charm, confidence building, and the delight of mastering the art of motorcycling on a budget. 1. Classic design with a touch of modernity. The Suzuki TU250X boasts classic design elements that evoke a sense of timeless elegance while incorporating modern touches. With its round headlamp, chrome accents, and a retro silhouette, the TU250X exudes a classic charm on the road. Suzuki's commitment to cost-effective design ensures that the TU250X not only provides an aesthetically pleasing riding experience but also stands as a testament to the affordability of retro-inspired riding. 2. Reliable single-cylinder engine for gentle power delivery. At the heart of the TU250X lies a reliable 249 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, offering gentle power delivery and efficiency for beginner riders. Suzuki's engine design prioritizes smooth and predictable power, making it an excellent choice for those seeking an economical and straightforward riding experience. The TU250X's engine provides ample performance for city commuting, casual rides, and the joy of cruising, offering a budget-friendly platform for riders to explore the fundamentals of motorcycling. 3. Lightweight build for effortless handling. Designed for effortless handling, the Suzuki TU250X features a lightweight chassis that contributes to its nimble and easy-to-handle characteristics. The bike's compact dimensions and balanced geometry make it user-friendly for beginners, allowing them to navigate through city streets with ease, corner comfortably, and experience the joy of uncomplicated riding. The TU250X's lightweight build enhances its approachability, making it an ideal choice for riders looking to build confidence without overwhelming complexity. 4. Comfortable seating and user-friendly ergonomics. Crafted for comfortable riding, the TU250X features a rider-friendly ergonomic setup. The bike offers a neutral and comfortable seating position, mid-mounted foot controls, and wide handlebars, ensuring riders can enjoy extended journeys without discomfort. Suzuki's commitment to rider comfort makes the TU250X not only a budget-friendly option but also a practical and enjoyable companion for daily commuting and leisurely rides. 5. Integration of essential features. The 2024 TU250X seamlessly integrates essential features to enhance the overall riding experience. A clear and user-friendly instrument cluster, retro-inspired gauges, and modern lighting add contemporary functionality without inflating the cost. Suzuki ensures that the TU250X remains an economical yet stylish choice, appealing to riders who appreciate the fusion of classic design with essential conveniences. Conclusion. The 2024 Suzuki TU250X stands as a global icon of entry-level retro-inspired riding, securing its position as one of the best cheap motorcycles for beginners. Its classic design, reliable single-cylinder engine, lightweight build, comfortable ergonomics, and integration of essential features make it an unrivaled choice for budget-conscious riders venturing into the world of motorcycling. Whether mastering the basics, cruising with style, or enjoying the simplicity of riding on a budget, the TU250X encapsulates the spirit of Suzuki's dedication to crafting motorcycles that redefine the boundaries of affordable elegance. As a symbol of accessible charm, confidence building, and the joy of mastering the art of motorcycling without breaking the bank, the 2024 Suzuki TU250X rightfully claims its place as a global legend in the realm of cheap motorcycles for beginners.